Hey everybody, Michael Elliott here, and I've got Danny with us. We just finished up this amazing project up here in Creedmoor. Tell us about the project and why did you choose Rodas Construction for this project?
Well, Rodas Construction is because we've used them on other projects before, and Mike, they've always done attention to detail, quality work. All the workers are very friendly, communicate real well with them. Apartment renovation was awesome. They did a really good job, and all the workers, I can't emphasize enough how good everybody is. And then Cole, I've gotten to know him real good. I've met Steve and Rocky. Very nice people. It's just I can't speak well enough about Rodas Construction.